everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change audio language on Crunchyroll. To change the audio language setting on Crunchyroll, first of all, open the Crunchyroll application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. From the Accounts tab, click on Audio Language. Now select the audio language option you'd like to use for the content you view on Crunchyroll. After you do that, you can then go ahead in the home page and select the series or anime you want to watch. After you do that, you will be able to change your audio language on Crunchyroll. Remember that not all animes have dubbed versions or audio language options. If you don't see other languages while playing the anime, it means the show is only available in Japanese with subtitles. You can also open up an anime and find the audio language option from the playhead. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Crunchyroll tips and tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Goodbye till then.